I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and what follows is a video of the Amel 50 MAMITA 2017 EU and UK VAT paid in really sparkling shape. She's in Barcelona, or just outside in Port Ginesta, and the video that follows will show you her current condition, which is awesome, and also what a very well conceived, designed and built yacht she is. Welcome to Barcelona on a quite dull day. We're aboard the deck of MAMITA now. She is in sparkling condition. She's from 2017, launched first in 2018. Great synthetic deck, flush hatches, wide areas to work on board, so we'll start at the bow. Stainless steel anchor you can see there to go with the stainless steel chain. The anchor windlass is a Lumar 2000. Cutter headed sloop rig from Amel. Pair of swept-back spreaders. Self-tacking jib. The front sails are electrically furled by Profurl, and she has in-mast furling by Amel, which is electric. She also has a downwind sail, a Code 0. So this is white painted, all looking very, very good. Signature Amel hardtop. MAMITA was the first of the Amel 50s. She was used for a round of boat shows. She's been much updated, cherished by these owners. So now we're on the aft deck, electric davits, and she's got a Highfield CL310 Hypalon, UV resistant. As you can see, she's got a drop-down transom, that's electric. Great area for entertaining. The starboard side can also have cushioning on it. Then we get into this great big cockpit. The table extends so you can have 8 people to lunch and dinner as you wish, and there is access into the engine room from the cockpit. This helm station has fantastic vision and is a very comfortable place. The Amel 50 has 5 watertight bulkheads. Let's now have a quick look down below. This is the interior of MAMITA. It's in oak. It's in immaculate condition. Bear in mind, this yacht is only 50 foot long. So here is the double VIP cabin. The port lights in the hull means that light and air just floods in. This is an amazing place for your guests to spend time. She's air conditioned throughout. She also has Webasto heating. And here is the guest heads compartment. Electric freshwater flush loo, separated shower stall. There is another door, so this is a Jack and Jill if you're just sailing with another couple to give them an ensuite head. And then here is the upper and lower berth cabin, which has generous sized berths, plenty of space. This works really well. Everything on this boat is absolutely sparkling. And then into the main saloon. Table folds over. It goes up and down. It can make another double berth if you've got lots of people on board. Nice sofa on the starboard side with drinks locker beyond it. Again, these wonderful port lights in the hull. And then onto the nav. She's got B&G Hydra twin autopilots, very well set up. Entertainment is on Fusion. Lovely galley, Force 10 3-burner cooker, dishwasher just to the right, refrigeration beyond. She's got an induction hob, an espresso, which is really nice, microwave, big refrigeration. And here is the owner's stateroom, which again, light and air, storage everywhere. And here is a nice study workstation. It's even got an Apple Mac. And of course, the owner's cabin also comes with an ensuite heads. Same freshwater flush, electric loo. Say hi to Natalie from Berthon, Spain, who's taking this video. Separated shower stall. All in perfect shape. And look here, this is a surprise. Washer dryer, full size. And then back to have another look at this great place to spend time. See the glass storage to port. And back into the main saloon. All very fresh. MAMITA, Amel 50. Perfect for living well aboard.